Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Look, before we get to the cook, I want to show you something really cool that I just got in the mail just the other day. Guys, would you look at this? This is the Santoku, hope I said that right. It's their chef knife from Nakano Knives. Nakano Knife Company reached out to me and wanted me to show you their new knife from their wooden series, the Santoku wooden series. It is a beautiful knife, and I'm going to be using this tonight, and I'll be using this quite a bit in the next week or so, and I'll come back and do a full review for you. But look at this thing. Is it not beautiful? I cannot wait. Feels great in the hand. Feels great. It's lightweight. Cannot wait to use this, guys. Alright guys, back to what we come here for. Look at this here. I got something I've never done before. This is a pork porterhouse steak, guys. That's right, pork. And I said porterhouse together. And I can't wait to get this on the Weber kettle and get this thing smoked up and grilled up and see how tasty this is going to be. Hey guys, I hope you can see that. This cut, I got the bone there, of course, and over here you got your loin, and you got your tenderloin left intact with the bone. That's why we have a porterhouse. Pork porterhouse. This is amazing. I cannot wait to get this on the grill. Same thing here, a little smaller tenderloin, but that's okay. We're going to keep the seasoning very simple. I've used this before. It's actually one of my favorites, to be honest. This is the SPG Plus Butter from Grillaholics. You've seen me use it on this channel before. And that's all we're going to season this with, guys. I don't want to go real heavy with it. Be sure to get all sides. Give her a flip. Hit the other side. I'm gonna leave all that fat on there, guys. That is flavor. Hey guys, when the grill comes up to temp, I'm gonna dump that charcoal and we'll get this on the grill. Boys. Get some heat going here. Alright guys, we're going to get on here and get this thing going. We're going indirect for now. It's kind of hot, pretty hot fire, but we're going to go indirect and get a little smoke on these. We'll turn these as we go for some even cooking. Okay, guys, I got one piece of apple wood here I'm going to put right on there. Get some smoke rolling on this. We're going to cook these for about indirect till they're up to about 120 degrees or so. And then I'm going to move them direct and just sear them off at the end. We'll check back in a bit. Hey guys, it's been a few minutes. I'm just going to come in and I'm going to turn these just for some even cooking. Everything's looking great. We'll come back in a bit and check some temperatures, see where we are. Alright guys, I just want to come in and check some temps. I bet we're, oh yeah, I'm going to move this on over and get some grilling on this. We're close, further along than I thought. Let's go over here and get a little grill on this and get some color. And I'm just going to leave the cover off. And we're just going to flip this a few times. There we go guys, give this a flip. It ain't going to take too long now guys. Definitely get some flame kiss here, boys. We'll pull this off in just a second. Looking great. We are so close, guys. Give this one more flip. My goodness. We are so there, guys. just another second. Definitely this coming off. Guys, I will see you inside and we'll cut this up and get a taste test. Would you look at that? Is that not a beautiful combination? Beautiful new Nakano chef's knife and a pork porterhouse. I cannot wait to cut into that. Let's get into it, guys. Alright, get on in here and cut some slices of this. Cuts that like butter, guys. Give that bone a little bit. Alright. Even got a little bit. I don't see a little bit of that smoke ring in there. Just a little. We weren't on the smoke real long, but it got a little bit. That is beautiful, guys. Let me get a bite of this. Hey guys, I know I look correct, but it's warm out there tonight. It is definitely warm. Guys, I tell you what, that is beautiful cut of meat. I'm gonna get a bite right now. That is so good, guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna cut a point of this tenderloin off of here. That was the loin I took a bite first. A little smoky, got a little bit of hint of that apple wood. There's a little smoke ring there. Oh yeah. A bite of fat, bite of that tenderloin. That is so good. Pork porterhouse, who knew? Guys, don't forget about this knife. I got a link below to Nakano knives. A special link directly to me. And there is a promo code to get you, I don't know what the discount is, but there's some sort of promo code for discounts. So check it out. Check out all their beautiful knives. This one's definitely beautiful. And be sure and give them a little bit of love. Guys, there's something a little different. Pork porterhouse. Never really heard of the cut, but it makes perfect sense if you think about it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to us if you haven't already, and guys, please hit that bell notification, let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye bye.